Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to do a walk around on a 2015 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf. It's a 19RR toy hauler. Welcome to Paul Sherry's. This is a really clean one-owner unit, purchased from us, traded into us. Outside shower, got the black tank flush. Water heater's gas electric. Dry weight's 4,046. That's really half-ton towable. Nice aerodynamic aluminum front. The heavy-duty manual stabilizer jacks. Got a nice 3,500-pound electric tongue jack. Previous owner put some leveling bubbles on it. Nice big storage area, got the spare tire in there. Electric awning with the lights up underneath. Stereo speakers outside under the awning. TV mount, cable and electric. Big grab handle to get in and out. You can see the opening can be screened off. There's the wiring for a backup camera if you like. You know, the table that goes with this sleeper couch is up on the front bed. Got fiber shades. Furrion stereo. It is surely super clean. One owner, price reduced. Somebody else took the depreciation. Jump in. You know you've been looking for one like this. It's even got an oven. It's got the big Nor-Cold refrigerator. Roof air. There's your table. Nice big bathroom, foot flush stool, tub shower with skylight, fantastic fan for the days you don't need your air conditioning or your heater. Give us a call today. The number's on the screen. Paul Sherry RVs.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.